after I get the basic shapes of the ear. Once again, it looks like it might be hard, but it's really not. You just have to practice, 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 practice. Now you just turn and fill it black. Now you can see the actual shape of the ear. There's a little dark side on this little face over there, so we're just gonna make that black. Just accents, little highlights in the other part of the ear. And you can also see like that one little eye through the glasses. But when we throw it in Photoshop, I mess with that a little more so you can actually just, I'm gonna do a little fade job on it so it won't stand out so hard. But I'm gonna keep the black in there for right now. Just turn that black. Outline his lips. No homo. Just a little dark parts around, like the smile wrinkles or the frown wrinkles. Just little stuff that makes the picture look like it has more detail. And when we start doing a little shading and airbrushing, as I call it, or some folks call it tuning, when we start doing that, aka burn dodge tool and the blur tool, we'll get into detail. Alright. You can see that he has more wrinkles. Like I say, the more detail, the better. The little stuff that counts. And all that is dark inside, so I really don't have to worry about blending that part when I get into the Photoshop section. Get all the creases in the hand. Now we're gonna get the creases in the shirt just to bring out everything. Notice how I turned it right back into the pen fill layer. I mean pen fill tool. And another thing is, it just depends on what type of designer you are. Because a lot of folks, I've seen a couple of tutorials where folks use layers, but I really don't have time for all that. It's whatever you're comfortable with. So, I mean, I'm not knocking layers, but I mean, I just go at it. And I mess with all the layers because I'm not keeping this file in Illustrator. This is just the blueprint or the frame, so to speak. Let's get some more detail in the shirt. you see the little dark side, dark part around his face, around the like a little shadow from the sunglasses. Little stuff like that is okay for you to turn black, because it gives it a little more cartoon effect. Yo, what's good, homie? Chico from OP just messaged me, tell him I'm doing a tut.